Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to sign up Tinder account. Tinder is an online dating service that you can use on your computer or your mobile. This video will show you how to create a Tinder account on your phone. You can either sign up for Tinder using Facebook or with your phone number. Once you've created a Tinder account, you'll be ready to start setting up your Tinder profile. First, download the Tinder app. You can download the Tinder on the Google Play Store. Search for Tinder and tap Install. Once done, tap Open. The Tinder app icon looks like a white flame icon in that you'll find on one of your home screen in the app drawer or by searching. If you log in with Facebook, you'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account, and Tinder will be able to pull from your Facebook profile to create your Tinder account. If you use phone number, you will be prompted to upload a new profile picture. Then, click or tap appropriate boxes. You'll be asked a few questions pertaining to you, such as your gender and sexual orientation. Click or tap the appropriate box and tap Continue. You can enter your school name if you're currently enrolled and want to try a new feature called Tinder University, or you can click or tap Skip to skip this feature. Then, enter your phone number. If you plan to use Tinder on your mobile phones, you need to enter your phone number to receive notifications and verify the number. Now, enter the code texted to your phone number. When you open the text sent from Tinder, the app should automatically log in. If not, you can type it in and click tap Continue. Click or tap OK when prompted Facebook only. This will allow Tinder access to your Facebook information so it can create a base profile. If your Facebook login information isn't saved on your phone or tablet, you'll first enter your Facebook email address and password. Then, click or tap Allow when prompted. This will turn on location services for Tinder. For Tinder to work, you must leave location service only. And last, determine whether or not you want to receive notifications. Either click or tap I want to be notified or opt out by clicking or tapping Not Now. Your account will be created and short tutorial will show you how you can navigate the app. Tinder is free to use, but you can buy Tinder Gold later if you want some extra features. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.